So Xiaomi's Mi Band 9 has just landed, and it's bringing a host of impressive upgrades to your wrist. Let's jump right in and see what's new. First up, the Mi Band 9 has a fresh new look with a sleek metal body, and there's also a special white edition with a ceramic body. Compared to Mi Band 8, it's a bit smaller but thicker, making it durable and stylish. The screen size stays the same at 1.62 inches, 60 Hz, but the AMOLED display now cranks up the brightness to 1200 nits, so you can easily see it even in bright sunlight. Battery life is solid too. You can get up to 21 days on a single charge, and even with the always-on display mode, it'll last up to 9 days. Plus, it charges from 0 to 100% in just about an hour, which is super convenient. On the connectivity front, the Mi Band 9 now supports Bluetooth 5.4, which means better performance and efficiency. It also features enhanced sensors for more precise heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking, boasting a 16% improvement in heart rate accuracy and a 7.9% boost in sleep tracking accuracy. Xiaomi even teamed up with the Peking University Third Hospital to enhance the sleep tracking features, giving you better insights and advice on how to improve your sleep. If you're into fitness, the Mi Band 9 supports over 150 sport modes and has 10 built-in running courses that you can start directly from your wrist. It's also water-resistant up to 5 ATM, so you can take it swimming without any worries. One cool new feature is the upgraded vibration motor. It offers 20 different vibration modes, giving you more personalized notifications and alarms. And if you get the NFC version, you can even use it as a car key. The Mi Band 9 is priced at around $34 in China, with the NFC version at $41 and a special ceramic edition at $48. You can pair it with a variety of straps, including mesh metal, leather, and more, and even use straps from the previous generation. No word yet on international pricing or availability, but stay tuned for updates. So, what do you think about the Mi Band 9? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech updates.